All right, this is a lesson on the unplugged version of Layla by Eric Clapton. So he did that Unplugged series on like MTV, and he redid this tune and made this old classic tune into something very new, great new solos, acoustic version and everything. And the solos fit really great on the Baritone Ukulele, so I got all these solos tabbed out, so it'll be a lot of fun. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go. So we have 2 on the G to the 1 on the 2nd string, and then we're gonna get to that 3 there, and that's gonna be part of this D power chord. Open 2 and 3, so we got. We're gonna go back from the 3 to the 1. Then we're gonna hit those top 3s, the B flat chord. So it's kind of strum that. And this is a C, these top 5s, back to that D power chord. So it's like C, C, D. And you could also go that C. And then the last time you're going to go 2 to 5, and then we're into the verse. Okay, but there's a solo in that intro as well. So we're going to go. We do this 3 times. We got this cool solo. So we have 7, 7 going down the D to G strings. Then we have 5 and 6 here on the 2nd string. So that's our lead kind of pickup phrase. Now a new measure starts and we go. So that was hammer on, pull off. Okay, so we got 5, 6, 8, 6, 8, slide into 10, and then go 8, 10 to little 8, and then 10 to 13, and that's our first kind of little section. So we got. And then our new part's gonna go. So 10, 12 and the little one, hammer on, pull off. 13 to 10 to 13, that's a triplet. And then 10 to 12 to 10 is a triplet. Hit the 12, hammer on, pull off. 9, 10, 9 is a triplet. So let's look at all that again. We got. And then we go. So 7, 7, 9, 10, 9 is a triplet. And then we have 7 on the 3rd to big 10. Back to that, and then we're gonna go. So 5, 5, 3, open. 5, 3, open, open. Okay, so the whole thing is. Then we have 2 to 5, and that takes us to a C sharp minor 6, 4, 5, 4. And then G sharp 7 is 4, 5, 4, 4. And then back to that first one twice. And then 5s to 7s, that's C to D. And then so E. And then on the like 1, 2, and put that 3 in there on the 2nd string, get an E7 chord. And then we have F sharp minor, 4 with 2s, twice. To B is those 4s, and then E to A. F sharp minor B again. E to A. That time we hold that one, and then we get into the. Okay, it does that a bit and it gets. goes into another verse, another chorus, has a third verse, and then it has a double chorus after that. And then we get into the next lead. The next lead is going to go. Okay, so we have, this is a little bluesy trick where you get that 6 and the 5. You kind of bend the 6 a little bit. We're going to go to that 7. So it's 2 hits on the chord to the 7, and then we start a new measure. So dum da dum da dum, and then we have 7 5 to 7, and then 6 5 3 5 3 0. Little bend on that 3, little bluesy bend, and then we're going to come into this. We're going into the 14 on the G and 13 on the B, but we're kind of sliding them both in from 1 fret below. Kind of an old bluesy trick. So these are triplets. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a. So it's 6 sets of that. And then we go. So that slid into the 14, 13, 15, 14, 12. So. And then we have these triplets. So 10 to big 12 in the back, and then 12 to 10, 13 down here in the second. 10, 12, and then a hammer-on pull-off. Little triplet there. So from these triplets, we have a new part. We go 10, 10, 10, 11, 10, 12, 10. So 10, 11, 10, 12, 10, 9, 7, 9 to 7. 5, 7, 7 is a triplet, and then we have. So 5, 6, hammer on pull off, 7, 5 to 7, 6, 5, 3, 5, 3, 0. Okay, so this whole thing we got. Okay, then we have. Okay, so that's a little bend on this 13 to the 10, and then a couple pickup notes, 13 to little 10 to the 12, kind of a hammer, and then a kind of pick that 10 to the 13, and then 10 to 13 on the G, back to 10, and slide it down. So it's. Then we go 10 to 10, little 10 to 10. So we had a 13 there, and then a couple 15s. 15 to 13, a little bit of a bend there, and then 10 to 10, 12, 13, 15. 13, 15, slide into 17, and then 12, 13, 12 to 15, 13. So it's. And then we have 12, 10, and then a couple triplets. So 13, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12. Then we have these 10s. And then we have 9 and 10, G and B strings. Hit it and hit it a pull off, kind of come back. And we kind of slide into the 10, down to the 7. And then we just have a few more notes. 5, and then 7, 6, 5, 3. Okay, then at the end of the song, it's a double chorus. You hold the C chord, and then they hit the D minor, and he has a little thing like. Okay, so it's like a 5, 7, 5, 6. Do a trill, and then 7, and then 5, 6, 8, 6, 5, 6. Kind of a hammer on pull off. 7. Kind of come back down the scale. A couple notes on that one at the end. All right, Layla Unplugged. Hope you all dug that. Got a tab with this. Talk to you all soon.